Okay, what's up? What's up? What's up? English speaking tayo ngayon. You know, this channel is intended for Filipinos. But due to many requests to explain my topic in English, I will try. So, I will try it Filipino, Tagalog, like this. So, before we go on, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, especially to those fellow Filipino overseas worker. So let's go on to straight to our topic today, and I hope we are all good and safe working in abroad. Okay. So let's go straight to our topic today. This is from request from Wilfredo Eden. Wilfredo Eden. Sir, paano naman lagyan ng langis loob ng baril, hindi binabaklas? So he wanted to know how to oil the gun without opening it. So actually this is very easy, but very important also, especially to those gun owners. Disclaimer, I will try my best to explain it in English because this is my first time to explain my topic in English. So if you find out that there is some mistake in grammar, pardon me. So this topic is very important. I am trying to do this in during my live streaming, but since community guidelines will not permit us to show firearms in live streaming, so I will upload this video. So this, I think he is asking about the pistol. So I have one pistol here. I will show it to you. Okay. We will clean this without opening, or we will put oil without opening, without taking the barrel. This is what the one of our subscriber, Wilfredo Eden, wants to know. So hope you will like this topic because this is very important. So first, we have to check the magazine. Be sure that there is no magazine inserted, and check also the chamber if there is a bullet by opening the slide. Open slide, and be sure there is no bullet. Okay. So without opening this gun, we will try to clean and oil also. Not only because before you oil, we will be sure that the gun is clean. So without opening it, we can clean it by using chemicals, WD-40 or whatever, as long as it is written here, cleanse and lubricate. Okay, cleanse and lubricate. So this is 2 in 1. 3. Cleanse, lubricate, and protect. Okay, this is for gun protection. So first, we will spray this like this. First here. Okay. And then from here. Okay, the dirt will drain. After that, From here, the barrel, huh? Like this. Okay, and then here. No need to spray from here. You can spray it 2 times or 3 times. Like this. Okay. After that, position your gun like this. This is the position of the gun. And then, the next step is, you will take tissue paper to sip all the chemicals inside. From here, put the tissue paper as many as can absorb. Okay. Para ma-absorb niya yung chemical. To make it dry from inside. So, like this. Okay. After that, take a piece of tissue and put it here. From here. If you have a compressor, you can, it's easy if you will use compressed air. So the chemical will blow away. Anyway, even I'm not talking, you can follow by my action. Here. Okay? And then also from here. Wait. You can use one stick like this. Why I use these chemicals? Because this, if we will just put oil, you know, the inner parts, we need to clean the inner parts, and at the same time, we need to lubricate. Okay, like this. And then, wipe the outside. Wipe outside area. Okay. As you can see, very dirty. Make it dry. The longer, the better, because this tissue paper will take or sip the will take the chemicals. Will make it dry from the inside. You can see? Yes. But sometimes, once in a while, you need to open. This is not always. If you shoot more than 1,000 rounds, you need to open. Much better. But if you shoot only hundreds, you can do this way. Okay, we will remove this. It's better if 1 hour. You can make it 1 hour like this. Okay, after example, it is 1 hour. After 1 hour, we can remove it after 1 hour and we will check it. Okay. And then from here. Now from here. Now from here. Okay. After that, we will dry the barrel by using a piece of cloth. Okay. There is two options. We will use one rod. Be sure it is brass or bronze, much better. So it will not harm the groove of the barrel. Okay, like this. And like this. The second option is by using a small wire, by make a eye hole like this. Make it longer. The longer, the better, because if the cloth is stuck up inside, do not force to go on another side. You can pull the other end. Okay. Okay. Do it several times. Be sure the barrel, the inside of the barrel is dry. Now the oiling. Okay? How to make the oil. Okay, I am using the commercial motor oil. You know, in my experience, this is the best oil. You know why? I am a mechanic also. You know the car? 5,000 kilometers before you change this oil. So, in my experience, this is the best oil. But, I am mixing it with 1 part of the lubricant cleaner. Like this. See, 1 part. This is 1 part. Okay. This is 1 part of the... And then... I will put on 1 container. 1 small container. This one. Okay. So my mixture, it's up to you. I'm using this to make the oil thinner. So it will not gum. You know what I mean. So 1 part of the oil. But if you have money, you can buy commercial oil. But not necessarily the gun oil. This is the best oil for me. in my experience. So, put here, one part. I'm doing this for a long time, even in our range. Then shake it. Okay. Now, how to oil? Oil is very important in moving parts. So, what is the moving parts? Of course, the slide. And, by the way, according to science, oil is the best for reducing friction. You know, the slide is making friction by going forward and backward and forward every time you shoot. So, the railing is very important. So, we'll put oil on the railing. Here. Left and right. Make up 2 to 3 drops. Both sides. The barrel. But don't put too much on the barrel. Just make it a little bit wet only. Just little. And then, here on the back side, railing. On the slide. Here. 2 to 3 drops also. Same here on the other side. Also here on the bottom of the slide. Make 1 drop on the pin and let the pin play. Okay, push a little. Push the pin many times. So, like this. The firing pin. Push it many times. Like this. So, the oil will penetrate. After that, dry the end of the pin. After that, you can close and make several times. Do several times like this, huh? I'll show. Like this, several times. Okay? After that, one of the moving parts is the hammer. So from here, put 2 to 3 drops. From here. Two drops. And then open, close and open. Okay. After that, make the tissue like this. And then put it here. Okay? Put the tissue here. I'll show you. Put the tissue here and then make it like this. Just follow what I'm doing. Even my English is not good, you can understand by following my action. Okay? Okay. After that, you will dry. Like this. I think, I hope you understand what I am trying to teach you. So this is it. Just make it dry. Make it dry. Make it dry inside and outside. You can use also a cotton cloth. Okay, be sure you make it dry. Okay, this is it. I think we finish it. Okay, sa mga Pilipino, pasensya na kayo sa English ko. And also to those who cannot understand my crooked English. Okay. So this topic is very important to Wilfredo Eden. I think I answer your request. Hope you understand it. Sana naunawaan ninyo. Sa mga gun owner na Pilipino, hindi na kayo mahihirapan na magbaklas at maglinis at maglangis ng inyong mga baril. So, if you have a question and comments, ideas, just comment on my YouTube channel, on my comment section. And if I can help you, I will help in my own little knowledge. So, this is your Pinoy Firearms Instructor. Until the next video and the next vlog, hopefully, this video, you learn something from these videos. And hope there are more questions and requests to tackle on the next video. Thank you very much at maraming salamat sa inyo. Bagaman ang akin ng English ay hindi talaga akong magaling. So makikita ninyo kung gaano kadumi, kung paano natin linis. Yan yung mga ginamit natin na mga panglinis. Ayan. So kahit paano, this is 75% only. This is 75%. You know, I'm doing this when I am in a shooting competition. Because time there, when you are in the shooting competition, time is very limited. So you need to do this, okay, on the safety area. This is important also to the shooters, to all the shooters. This is what I am doing in my competition. When I am in a competition, doing my competition. Sa mga shooter, importante ito. I know everybody, there are some ideas, you have some procedure. It's up to you. But if you will follow my procedure, it's okay. Kung nagustuhan ninyo itong aking procedure, this is my own. That's why my slogan is, I did it my way. You can do it in your own way, and this is my own way. If you think this is helpful, thank you very much. So, bye-bye for now. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, subscribe, and share. And please, don't skip the ads. Thank you very much. This is your Pinoy Firearms Instructor from Kuwait. Bye-bye.